guys, Cakeland is here again to give you a lifetime opportunity to learn something new for yourself and to make you responsible for your income flow. This is a 100% entrepreneurship training which includes general cake making, how to cover with buttercream, how to make cupcakes for commercials, Smallchops, Chapman drink, fried snacks and lots more. This training is going to be for a week with 2 sections respectively. The first session is going to be from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and the second section is going to be from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. respectively. The date is 2nd December 2020. The venue is at St. Thomas Catholic Church Hall, Onilekere, Ikeja, Lagos, Cement Bus Stop. Guess what? It's not 100k, though it's worth it. It's not 50k as many may think. It's just 10k per student. 10k per student. And due to the pandemic situation in the world at large, we are only going to accommodate the first set of persons to register with us. Please don't be left out. Hope to see you there. Love you.